Welcome. Today we dive into Power BI KPIs, your best friends for tracking success. Think of KPIs as the dashboard of your business car. They tell you if you're speeding towards success or stuck in traffic. With Power BI, these numbers come to life, helping you make smart decisions without second guessing. Ready to supercharge your data? Let's go. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott. And for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. A KPI, 3 little letters that can change the way you run your business. Think of them as your business report card. Whether it's sales, customer satisfaction, or website traffic, KPIs tell you if you're acing it or need improvement. Different industries have different KPIs, because a retail store and a hospital won't measure success the same way, right? Imagine driving without a speedometer. You wouldn't know if you're cruising or about to get a ticket. KPIs are your business speedometers, keeping you informed, focused, and strategic. They help businesses set achievable goals, recognize what's working, and fix what's not. Because blindly guessing your way to success is just bad business. Power BI is like the Swiss Army knife of business intelligence. Versatile, powerful, and surprisingly easy to use. It connects all your data, presents it beautifully, and lets you interact with it like a pro. No more drowning in spreadsheets. Power BI makes it easy to monitor trends, predict outcomes, and make decisions with confidence. All right, folks, let's talk KPIs, your business's GPS. First, we need to identify our key objectives, because tracking random numbers isn't fun. Next, measurable indicators, because vague metrics are like blurry road signs. Then reliable data, garbage in, garbage out, right? Finally, strategic alignment. Otherwise, we might be tracking KPIs that impress our pets instead of our boss. Setting KPI targets is like setting New Year resolutions, doable but ambitious. First, goals must be realistic. Nobody wants a KPI crisis. Then, historical data. It's not just old numbers, it's wisdom. Next, industry benchmarks, because keeping up with competitors matters. Finally, regular reviews. KPIs need love and care, not neglect. Bad KPI visuals are like a puzzle with missing pieces. First, the right chart, bar for comparison, line for trends, pie if you love circles. Next, readability. Tiny fonts are a crime. Then color coding. Red means bad, green means good, and neon pink is questionable. Finally, context, because without it, numbers are just fancy decorations. Dashboards should be sleek, not a cluttered mess. First, simplicity, because nobody enjoys decoding a mystery novel at work. Then, real-time data. Outdated numbers belong in history books. Next, interactivity, because clicking around makes learning fun. Lastly, audience relevance. Don't serve financial dashboards to the HR team unless they suddenly love numbers. Mistakes in KPI tracking can be painful. First, tracking too many KPIs, analysis paralysis is real. Then data accuracy, because wrong data equals wrong decisions. Next, unrealistic targets. Dream big but don't expect miracles overnight. Finally, acting on insights. KPIs aren't decorations, they're action signals. If you love KPIs and coding, DAX is your best friend. First, custom calculations, because standard formulas sometimes fall short. Then performance optimization, because slow dashboards are no fun. Next, time intelligence, because trends matter more than isolated numbers. Finally, integration, because KPIs from one source are okay, but multiple sources. That's power. KPIs come to life with real-world dashboards. First, e-commerce tracking, so businesses know what's flying off the shelves. Then marketing analysis, because ads should drive revenue, not just views. Next, employee productivity, because smart work beats hard work. Finally, financial health, because cash flow is the lifeblood of any business. And that's a wrap. We covered KPI basics, mistakes to avoid, and advanced techniques. Now it's your turn. Apply these insights, refine your KPIs, and improve business performance. Stay curious, keep tweaking, and let your dashboards do the talking. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.